I want to thank you guys first. I want to say thank you. That just came out. Just last night I got like 20 subscribers. You guys are so kind, and I appreciate it, and I appreciate you watching. I know your time is precious. We don't get it back. And now you guys are gonna go, you're right, we gotta go. All right, so beadboard is just a plain of actual white. Can you see that? And so I'm gonna spray this, wet all this down really good. I'm using my Paint Pixie brush. This is a number 12 oval, and it's delicious. I'm adding a link right now to to get to this point. Oh, you know what? I forgot I was making this frame. I can use my. Where was it? Yeah. I went for this to frame this panel up here. Here's the boho blue. Water, it's just water. I learned this from Dion, got the turquoise iris, canvas and furniture. That's a good one to follow right there. Boho blue, bohemian blue. So I'm just gonna slide over here. I'm gonna reactivate it. Here's the bohemian blue. I went this way, and I'm gonna come back with the blue, the dark this way. On my first piece I used this on, I made a bohemian blue wax, where I just put a couple drops of this and some clear wax, mix it together, and I went over the places where I wanted it to be sort of intense. Thank you so much for watching. I always like it if you tag somebody who thinks that you shouldn't paint wood. That's just me being ornery. Appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Thanks guys, bye. Look what I discovered. If I'd wear my glasses, it keeps my hair from coming into my face. People are watching. Good boy.